Na-try nyo na bang gumawa ng pickled onions? Kasi kung hindi pa, baka makatulong sa'yo to. So, sundan mo lang kasi this is just a very short video. And what I did is just heating 1 cup sugar and 1/2 cup white vinegar. And the good thing about this is you can use it in pickling other vegetables too, like making achara and other things. So yun, while pinapainit ko yan, I was preparing my white and red onions. So ginawa ko na lang siyang dalawa kasi before I made this, nakaisip akong gumawa ng isang recipe na paggagamitan ko nito. And the thing is, naubusan na ako ng pickled onions. I normally just buy before in the supermarket and wala lang. Ginagamit ko siya for my salads. And ngayon, nung nakita ko na kailangan siya ng pickled onions, yung recipe na gagawin ko after this, is naisipan ko na lang gumawa kasi ayokong lumabas. At ang dami kong sibuyas na nakastock. And yung vinegar and sugar is my pantry staple naman yun. So, gawa na lang tayo. Yan. So, to do that, kailangan mo lang ng sterilized bottle na paglalagyan mo ng ipipickle mo na onion. And just to, naisip ko lang na gawin ko na lang 2 klaseng pickled onions yung ginawa ko for this batch. Kasi ginagamit ko naman talaga yung pickled onions for my salads. Yan, masarap siya sa mga salads or other stuffs like putting it on your sauces. So, kaya gumagamit talaga ako nito. And baka in the future magamit mo rin, lalo na pag susundan mo yung mga videos ko. The next video that I will be uploading will be needing this this recipe. So, gawa na lang tayo para mas mura at mas marami pa. So, yan. That's red onions. Chinap ko lang yan ng pino. Pinino ko na lang siya. Actually, you can pickle whole onions, yung maliliit. Kaso lang, I don't have a big lalagyan and malalaki yung onions ko masyado. So, pinino ko na lang siya and put it on a jar na maliit na lang din. And, yan lang. Very easy yung paggawa niyan. You can also use this recipe in pickling mangoes or other vegetables or fruits. Hindi lang ito pang onions. Ganyan lang siya kasimple. Very easy and very convenient. Yan lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!